Hi, this is Brooke with WTI. And if you're looking for the most crisp audio when you're videoing, check out the Mini Mic Pros. This wireless microphone is an incredible game changer for me and my video content. So windy out here today, but I have my mini mic, so I'm going to be just fine recording. I live in a noisy street and I do a lot of video creating outdoors, and this is so convenient. It's fully charged within an hour, and then I have 6 hours of use, and I can take it with me anywhere. All you do is turn it on and plug it in, and it starts working. All you have to do is video from your phone. This is convenient because it's very durable, it's easy to use, lightweight, small, but that does not minimize the quality of how wonderful my audio is with this. I have neighbors, I live in apartments. I also have pets and kids, so you can imagine how this is important. For me, it's easy to interchange these tips. It comes with an adapter, so you can use an iPad, an iPhone, or an Android, and it's really versatile. And it's easy to exchange the dead cat tips or the two microphone tips. And the quality of my video footage is that much better, and I love the price. I love it, but that's just my point of view.